Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Stellar from your Trezor wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're holding Stellar XLM on your secure Trezor hardware wallet and want to move it to the Bitrue exchange for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have your Trezor device set up and connected to your computer via Trezor Suite or the Trezor app. You'll also need a Bitrue account with your Stellar wallet address ready. Head over to Bitrue, log in, and navigate to your wallet section to copy your XLM deposit address. Got that? Great. Now, let's get into the steps. Start by opening Trezor Suite on your device. Select the Stellar XLM asset from your wallet dashboard. Once you're there, click on the Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste in the one you copied from Bitrue. Next, input the amount of Stellar you want to send, but don't forget to leave some for network fees, which can vary based on the Stellar network congestion. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the transaction details on your Trezor device itself for added security. It's what makes hardware wallets so trustworthy. Hit Confirm, and your Trezor will sign the transaction. Once it's broadcasted to the Stellar network, it should process in just a few seconds. After that, hop back to your Bitrue account and check your wallet. You should see your Stellar arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute or two, as blockchain confirmations can take a bit. A quick tip: always use the official Trezor and Bitrue apps to avoid phishing scams, and never share your seed phrase. That's it for this guide. By now, you've successfully transferred your Stellar. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.